Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I've got this little printer. You see these in restaurants and stuff. It's just a basic little printer that has obviously seen better days, and it's in my shop, so it's definitely got magenta. So let's just gently take this apart and see what's in it. I can already see a motor in here. Probably not going to be a lot. Be a lot of steel. And of course, screws. Thought I'd try. That was funny. Try to do it that way. It doesn't work very well. Good sign. Sometimes I wreck these, not realizing it, like I just did. So, screwdriver is both your friend and not. So many screws. Yeah. I'll get the hammer out. I don't care. I'm not saving this for nothing good. Mostly just saving this from going in the landfill. Fit. There. Let's take the spring. Oops. I'm not doing this indoors. Getting some noise complaints. Need a longer screwdriver for that. Use this one. Steel on the floor. And I did strip that one. Yeah. It's jacked up, that's for sure. Then you just start taking this gently apart. You don't want to do it that way. Gotta sit down. Sit down before you fall down. Trying to joust myself. Alright. We're going to do this the old-fashioned way. Oh, that's a pin. I don't want to bend that. Screw here. You know what? Snippers. No. Little board in there. One here. there's a screw in there. Can't even see it. Or get it. Hold on. We'll use this one. This one. Oh, there's two. Did you miss a screw? Probably. There we go. Alrighty. You are. That wire. To go in. Wow, there's a tip right there. Or a chip. A board right there. Alright, where are they? Come out! Oh, okay. Trash. Once I get those screws out, throw them there and carry on with the screws. And get them all. I need a hammer and get this out. Yeah. There. Do that part. And I have some screws in here. Oh, what's in here? Distracted. Go in. damn it. There's a silver ribbon. You go in there. Oh, hello. Steady, steady. That's what you guys are. See if you stainless steel. Oh, oh, oh! Look at what I found. Or that could be brass coated brass, however you say that. That is Goldie. Nice. Where was I putting this? I don't know. Out. Why won't you fall out? Oh, that's why. Ah. Got that for no reason. But I can get this out, right? Ouch. What if I... There we go. That's a big old piece of... big old piece of... That's what it is. Any low board. Arm. So, crystal. Cool. And, oh, what is that? There it is. Here's why it's so heavy. Silver. Let's get this out of the way. Where did it? There you are. Don't forget, folks, there's 2 screws on this. Not 1 like previously thought, or 0 like previously thought. There's 2. There we go. And that's gonna... Okay, fine. You go down there. Wires. Wires. Board. More wires. You. Gotta start a third thing for all my wires from this warehouse store. Oh. Thought I already did that. Clearly, I have not. Okay. Let's try dusty blonde. Hey, look at that. So much easier. So much easier, I said. And that's my switch. Anyways, so now let me get this big guy out of here. Smash it open later. Get a few of them. probably bleed. Oh, oh. Good. Good. It's because it's cracked, kind of. Yep. Never fails. There we go. There's a big piece of junk. That is a big old resistor. Let's crack it open and see what's in it. Safety goggles. Big old Oma. Oh, I got this one. And you just gently, ever so gently tap it. And then it just gently falls apart. So you got this piece of crap on here. Oops, looks like it got a little bent somehow. Well, that's weird. Yeah. Some copper here. Some in there. Some in there. Just two little pieces of aluminum on here. This weird looking thin piece of, oh, that was part of its shield. Okay. Yeah, give me that. Cool. Alrighty. And I'll just put away my toys. Ah, that hurt. Alrighty, this ribbon comes off. That is garbage. Let's see what else we have here. Just keep taking screws out until it falls apart completely. And I'm satisfied with what I've got. Anything with that? Oh, now I see it. Let's go here. There's one on the other side. It's even bigger. That is a motor. That's a motor. Hey, hey, hey. Back it up. Not taking these off. I don't want to find out how strong that spring is. It doesn't feel that strong, but there's no sense in taking it off because this is all just steel. At this point, really, my only interest is here, here, and down in there. So, how do we get this motor off? Probably by taking these screws out of here. Like that. Uh-oh. Houston, we may have a problem. I may have jacked it up and not be able to get that out that way. I have another trick. Go on with the rest of it. Just come back to this. I'm going to have to stop this soon, and I'm going to make my wife dinner before she gets home. This is probably gold. That is gold. Nice. It's a strange little motor. Who else wants to come forward? Another motor. We'll get this apart. I've never taken one of these apart before. I've been working with them for years. But I've never worked anywhere long enough to where they had this system and failed and a little brassy. And then I got to take it. I was always in the kitchen. Cool. Here's a little motor. Take that apart at another time. More double screws, tiny circuit boards. This is the work of machines. There we go. So, yeah, I jacked that one up. Where's the bucket? Where's coming from here? I have that? No. Worry about that later. Well. Well, mister. Oh wait, can I just break this off here? Nope, see why not. Oh yeah. Maybe it's not as hard as I thought. Alrighty. So that one jacked up little screw. Are you serious? It looks like I can get it. Why can't I? Let's try this one. Nope. Any better? Alright, so let's go with plan B. There we go. Plan B will take care of it. Plan B. Just set over. Obviously not very sharp. That might take me a minute. We'll get it off there. Ugh, more pressure. It will not just gently come off. That screw is fucked. Alright, let's do this. Or we just bend it. Oh well. This is where he cuts himself. Want it to come off. If I got in here like this. So, stop screwing around. Give it to me. Haha. Mine. Alrighty. Sit down again. It's freaking hot out here. What happens when I do this? Oh, that's messed up. That is metal teeth right there. That's jacked up, man. How I've avoided that catastrophe, I don't know. And there we go. challenging than I thought it would be. Such is my luck with printers. Clearly I can't have nice things. But that, my friends, is gold. Oh, so sexy. Gold stash. You're going to have to go in here. Oh, here it is. I found it. These are just gold ribbons. So many gold parts right now. Clearly not enough because I'm still going fast. Alrighty, and there's a little more right there. Now we're going to get you out of there. Doesn't do anything for you. I see what's going on here. Oh, really? Another nice stainless steel pin. Not keeping that. How do we get you out of here now? There you are. There's the problem. Did you miss your screw? Yeah, I did. Oh, come on. Yes. And this is all steel shred. I could get these pins out if I wanted. But I don't want them. I want those ones. A lot of them. Maybe I will get them out. Second thought. Yeah. Maybe I will spend some time later getting those 2 pins out of there. I kind of like those sizes. That's cool. Alrighty. I got some cool pins. Like this big old one. That is. Right. Got a couple motors out of here. A couple circuit boards. Some gold pieces, some copper pieces, some aluminum pieces. Cool. Not bad, not bad. So that was a printer like you'd see in an office. I mean, an office, a restaurant. Writing up your delicious tickets. Alrighty. That's another one down. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.